the air, the breeze, the waves. Midea has drawn inspirations from nature to create the Blanc air conditioner. Enjoy all-around cozy cooling. Appearance. The elegant and dynamic design is inspired by sea waves. Air vent and display are packed in a seamless, integrated body. The outdoor unit has been completely revolutionized with an Archimedean spiral windscreen that imitates a bionic wind wheel to reduce noise generation. The T-shaped structure ensures stability and durability. Cooling. To let you enjoy the most comfortable cooling summer, Blanc air conditioner offers a super cool feature. With the press of a button, the turbine will operate at maximum speed to reduce the temperature to 17 degrees rapidly and deliver the most cooling air. Triple comfort. Besides the strong cooling system, the Midea Blanc air conditioner also features triple comfort technologies. The favorite cool function allows you to adjust the air conditioner to your preferred fan angle, fan speed, and temperature with a single touch. The Follow Me function senses temperature changes around you and makes adjustments to ensure maximum comfort. With sweet dreams, the air conditioner will adjust the fan speed and temperature automatically according to the sleep curve to ensure uninterrupted rest. Energy saving. To better save your energy consumption, Midea Blanc applies active energy control technology. By pressing the gear button, you can lower down the compressor operating power to save energy. Inspired by nature and packed with the latest technologies, Midea Blanc air conditioner offers maximum comfort and efficient cooling in an aesthetic body design. Enjoy all-around cozy cooling at the best value. Midea. It's your idea.